There are many factors that you don't know or you do know that make lotions or product doesn't work on you. All right, and these factors implies or include uh, scrubbing your skin. All right, yes, scrubbing your skin is one. In fact, it's one of the major factor I do know. Like a lot of people don't exfoliate, which is very wrong. And when they say exfoliate, it's not a big thing. It's not something that I have to know. That have to do with stress. You don't exfoliate and you want a product, a whitening product to work on you. Okay, fine. The whitening product will work on you if you don't know. All right, it will work on you, but it will make your skin also look limited. So not that it's not going to work on you to work on you, but to make your skin limited. There are some other benefits you were supposed to get. All right, to make your skin look flawless. So like I want my skin to be flawless. Not this is not you will have the whitening you need. You have the undertone. You have the yellow. You have the glowing. But I want it to be flawless. So how will it get so sometimes it's good to scrub. And some people they use different type of scrub. And now let me show you the type of scrub we're talking about. You see this scrub? See this scrub? This is authentic sensitive scrub. Look at it. Authentic sensitive scrub. This scrub, yeah, when you use this scrub in a week, use it twice in a week for the beginning. When you see this is a whitening sensitive scrub on its own because it will white you. All right, it will white you when you're using it also. It's so understandable that when you do all this simple logic or method I'm telling you, your skin will become flawless, like as I'm telling you. All right. This scrub now it will whiten you, it will make you look young as well. It will remove all those hard cells, those scales that you having on your skin. So people they have this skin that is very tight. When your skin is tight or dirty in between, you're not going to understand. Somebody asked me, "How is your skin dirty?" You know your skin is dirty. It's not that you bath for your skin; it's cleaner, but it's a dirty color. The color is not bright. Whatever you use, it won't work. Well, if when it will work, you will look like it's not really coke and fata, but you will look like some places are brighter than some place. So we call it dirty color. All right. So now this scrub will do what? Will exfoliate you like it will remove all those places. There are some places harder than some other places. It will help you to fade away those places and make the skin look unique again. All right. Then when you use oil or you use lotion on it, it will become fine. All right. So there are different type of sensitive scrub. Look at this one. This one look like cream. This one look like cream. All right. Look at it. It look like cream. And why this one also? This one is made of spa salt and all that ingredient. Why this one look like cream? They make it like body cream. All right, that you use to scrub yourself, exfoliate the skin, let the skin, so let the skin come out of its shell. So you can like for those of us who have sensitive fine. Why there are some people like when they use scrub, no matter how scrub they use, doesn't work. That is why we have this lemon scrub. All right, we have coffee scrub as well. We have lemon scrub. So this lemon scrub is for hard skin. Like my skin is this, my skin is rock, my skin is so come on, use this rock me wear. This is lemon. This lemon, when you use it, also it lightens you because it's lemon. It lightens you, and also it exfoliates the skin. It pull off the scales. Are you getting it? Then it will open the pores. When it open the pores, so that is why you see your skin, any product you use, even if the product is not strong, become very effective on you because you're able to scrub properly. And then when you do all this scrubbing, it helps a lot. It's not because of the product I'm telling you, it helps. You know, some people some time ago, I was having this inchy face. Like my face was itching, so itching that I can't control it. Everywhere I go, I would want to be touching my face and all that. It's itching. So what I did, I said, okay, fine, let me use one of these sensitive scrub, and I exfoliated my face very well. Did the scrubbing and did it properly. Then I used my automatic face cleanser, and after that, the whole thing calmed down. All right. So that is how to use some of those sensitive scrub and all this for those of us who have hard skin. So if you're looking for a better scrub, you look at the color. Very attractive, and also it works according to the name, sensitive for sensitive skin. So if you're looking for all this sensitive scrub, you can contact me. All right, you can contact me. They works well. When you use them and you use your whitening product, trust me, they work. They work properly. So thank you. Bye bye.